Let me actually
6-7, we're
just so
live.
we're in the right. Oh, we're live. Okay.
Hello, average kiddo enjoyer. I am not late. I'm late. I'm late. But
Okay.
yeah.
I'm live. Share your screen. Also join the
Share
stream.
your screen, twin.
Share my screen, twin.
Start sharing
Doing
your
a fucking
screen, twin.
Stream together.
Stream together. Oh, I
Why is
need
there
to
a
send
boy
an
kisser in that
announcement too.
thing?
I don't remember. Oh, I
I don't
accidentally
either.
copied it over my drawing of Gabe Newell. It's over.
I see. Well, the share chat is on whenever you join the Twitch
I'm here.
stream together thing, so I hope it just automatically works. That'd be cool. Looks like it did. Hopefully.
There we go.
Okay.
Okay, I need to send out an announcement real quick. Give me a minute.
Fuck.
6-7. Sorry, I need
your
to
stream
stop
announcement?
saying that.
You do a little bit. That's okay. Also, hello, Godot. How you doing? I need to open up my damn Godot project. How about that? I'm also curious, and I'm gonna pay a little bit more attention to this today. Does my OBS show Dante's 9 as more red than it actually is? Because I noticed that last night whenever I was trying to record on Linux, it was just recording as like a decent bit more red. I'm actually gonna let me pull up that footage that I recorded. There is videos of Dante's 9.
Okay, there we go. Stream announcement is out. What am I doing? What I wanted to do. Did you want to say what you wanted to do first?
In a moment.
Okay.
I just wanted to look at this. Can you take a look at this real quick?
Oh,
does this look more red to you?
Look at this.
Or does this look regular?
That looks regular to me.
Looks regular. Let me open up the game real quick.
It's hard to tell because it's here. Let me compare real quick.
I hope that there's some time that I just stand still so the bitrate like stabilizes.
Yeah.
Dog, stop closing and reopening the fucking menus. Just stand still, you fucking ADHD dickhead.
But it's hard to tell because I have it on my laptop screen, which is very bad colors.
Yeah. These motherfuckers moving. I open up the card menu again. Don't ever watch yourself playing a game without, like, being like, oh, people will see this. Okay, so this is what the game looks like right there. And then if I open up the game... Also, Video tutorials help me a lot, by the way, thank you. I appreciate the kind words. That does mean a lot to me, even if I haven't put out a tutorial in ever, basically.
Yeah.
It's been a minute.
It's never happening.
Yeah, that's true. So if I compare it... Oh no, it's like a little bit washed out here. Weird, okay. Maybe the color correction's wrong on my Linux screen then. Because the... Wow, that's actually like insane. When I was trying to record last night on Linux, what I noticed was that the level looked a lot more orange than the footage.
Mm-hmm.
Like, these are effectively the same color, except maybe it's like a little bit less blurry, a little bit less like strong saturation. Let me check the first video I recorded, because that one I think had the most noticeable change. This looks a little different. Let me go to this room. This is room 1, I think. Yeah. No, those are like identical. Holy shit, that's crazy. I mean, -1 being in full screen and 1 not being in full screen, but that's like actually crazy. Yeah, no, cool. Okay, so it's nice to know that at least it was recording what it actually looks like. I guess it just looks a little different on Linux. I don't know. It's very weird. So I also want to show some things off for people who didn't see it, because I didn't show this off last stream because it wasn't a thing. I added a really cool, mostly debug thing, but it's also a thing that will be useful just in general. So if I go ahead and add all of these cards, and then also we'll add one of each of these 5 first relics. So here's my deck currently. I can go into the debug menu and hit save state. And then if I close the game and reopen it.
I tried to play test, I got killed, but I'm also really bad at these types of games. Yeah, it's really hard right now. We are about to push up an update that should hopefully make it a little bit easier.
Yeah.
Because right now, even as somebody who plays these kinds of games a lot, even I am sucking at it. So yeah, it is a little bit too difficult right now.
But if I hit load state, it will give me all of those relics back and the exact same cards that I had. Even if I had stickers on these, they would be in the same position, same rotation, and everything, which is really cool.
It's fun though? Oh, that's good. I hope it's fun.
Let's see.
I would like cry. Be sad if it wasn't fun.
Emulator style save states. Almost been EVV. Mainly just like inventory level save states because one of the things that we need to be doing, or that we want to be doing soon, is trailer recording and shit, and that becomes way easier if we have the ability to like save a selection of cards and items and then record a section, and if it, you know, maybe we forgot to turn off a HUD element or maybe we forgot to do something, we can just like load the state back and try it again. It also saves the same seed, but I don't think there's a way to load the game without like fucking with the seed, so like I think if I do this, it's a different seed. If I hit restart game, it's a different seed. I don't think that there is a way to reload the current level with a seed. Or I guess, I mean, there's obviously the seed menu, but as for today though, here are my plans. So we want to get the game ready to play test, or to update the playtest. Currently it's almost there. There's a couple of things that are issues. So there's a few enemy issues. The first one is like super minor, should be knocked out very quickly, which is the flying bat guy thing doesn't have knockback whenever he shoots anymore, which is something that just happened one day. I don't exactly remember why. I do kind of remember when it happened. But he just doesn't get knocked back anymore, which is fine. That's easy enough to fix. The fire imp, I believe. Let me actually double check. Yeah, so whenever I'm spawning him, he has his like slash. It like attacks once, which is a problem. I also, do we want to keep his indicators the same, where it's like the
Yeah, that's okay for right now. We might want nicer ones later, but like that's not a priority because right now it's still very clear. The main thing is just fixing the enemies that weren't clear at all.
Yeah. For the worm, I would. I want to evaluate first how feasible it would be to just rewrite today. Might not be.
Again, I don't think that's really a priority because it works. The main thing is just pushing it up an update that works and fixes the things that are broken and makes the game more fun and makes it more clear.
Yeah, I also hate the way that they work currently, and I'd like to change that a little bit. Like whenever I spawn them, they do this little charge up and the box moves. It's not particularly useful if the box moves a whole lot. So I feel like it would be really nice if it just kind of
but I
stayed
don't think
still a little bit more. It's also
issue.
something that can be changed easily because of how it's set up. The flying goober, I think we can change his behavior a little bit because of the indicators being a little bit more clear. Before, what we were doing was they can kind of spin a little bit as they're charging up, you can see. And that was mainly because just the way that they weren't super clear. We didn't want them to lock onto the player's position. But I think that we can reduce their charge up time potentially, and also combine that with blocking their rotation so that the box doesn't move. Because I don't really like looking at the box move because it kind of feels like it's not inconsistent. It's just kind of not useful if the box is kind of rotating around. It's like, where's the end?
Maybe. I don't really think it feels that bad, but if you think so, sure.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna play around with that.
Okay. That's fair.
And then also a couple things with weapons. Apparently, I thought I fixed this last time. Maybe it was just because the fix was gross and I wanted to do something better. But the projectiles don't apply their on hits on the first frame. You can fix that. The hit scan weapons don't have bounce applied to them. They also don't have aim variance as a possibility. Or they have it, but it doesn't really do anything. So I think I could add that. The tutorial has the old environment info, so if I were to load, this obviously doesn't matter either because we won't have multiple levels, but if I load into the library and go back to the main menu and then load into the tutorial, it is now ringing and the level exits are the wrong color. So I would like to fix that. That's easy enough. For the controller stuff, the UI, like the cursor sometimes is just stupid, but also if I were to go into control mode override and set this to controller, sometimes this just doesn't work. It is right now, which is a little surprising. But I think it's if I'm on, let's see, set this to auto. If I'm on keyboard and mouse, go into system and change this to controller and then tab out. No, I guess it's working. I don't know. Sometimes it wasn't working and I don't know why or how, but oh, I didn't write this down either. And it just kind of came up. The music / rain doesn't loop properly. I would like to fix that. So let me fix these in some sort of order. We also have a couple of small player changes, like the player has a little bit more acceleration time, because before it was like 2 frames, and now it's like 1/10 of a second, which just makes it feel a little bit more natural.
Yeah.
Let's see. So for the flying bat, let me move this over on my left monitor. So flying projectile enemy. Why don't you have knockback? I want to say it was because this wanted to get the movement. If movement had knockback force. Do you not have a movement? Is that the problem? Is the problem that the movement is below this? I think the answer is yes.
If you're wondering what really I'm working on, I am making a little end screen for the trailer to say like wishlist Dante 9.
Okay. What's the resolution you're making that in?
Just 1920 by 1080.
Okay, good.
Twinity.
So if I were to put flying fire projectile enemy, does he get knocked back or does he even have a movement driver? The answer is no. Okay, so that is the problem. The problem is that I'm asking for this way too early. Which I would like to do. Oh wait, if actually, do you know what owners? I guess you have if enemy dot is node ready, but not ready. Await enemy dot ready. Yeah, so you're gonna have to be killed for that to take effect. Oh, cool. You. Really? Let me reload that. That feels wrong. That feels like that should work. And I don't know why it doesn't. Also, just realized, maybe you're hella early.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Why is this? I see. So that doesn't actually take care of that because the other driver is actually also waiting for ready. That's unfortunate.
Sure. Wait a second.
I can just move this up. I don't like having to have this there, but if it makes it work, it makes it work. It makes it works. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, now he has movement, and now he takes knockback. Cool. Hooray! Did we want to change anything about this guy's projectiles? I want to say there was something we were thinking about doing with that a while back, like making them faster, but
Which guy's projectile? Sorry. Oh, his.
the flying this guy.
I don't remember. I think maybe. No, not that I can remember.
Okay.
I think you did make them faster.
I don't think so. I think these are still the same speed. It just
I'm pretty
shoots more
sure
of
you
them.
did make them faster. Yeah, I made it shoot more just because I wanted to mess with the numbers. Yeah, no.
Okay, that's
no.
definitely a little bit too much. Mm-hmm.
Definitely not that one.
Hello, cat and fish. Hello, brain and zap. POV me whenever I switch antidepressants. Or just exists sometimes. I love brain zaps. They're really fun and cool. They're not fun, but... Okay, we'll just call that fine. I'm gonna just kill these brain
I know I saved some Steam logos at some point, but I don't remember where.
Okay. Yay, he's fixed.
Maybe it's in
fire. Let's fix your issue. Your issue is that your slash has the wrong... Excuse me. Sorry. Your slash has the wrong frame.
Steam
you should
assets.
Be on
Steam brand assets. That's what I wanted.
Is this how we do this? No, I don't like that. Wait. Why don't you have a reset track? That's fucking weird. You should be invisible by default, I think. Why did that not take hold? That was weird. Okay, yeah, that looks like that's more correct. Hooray! Okay, and now we'll check that off the list. That's easy enough. The worm enemy. He has evil shit. Oh, I forgot that these guys can actually, like, schmoove. Shit, I was gonna jump up on the platform to hide from them, but I forgot that they can actually follow me now.
Very funny.
They're evil. I'll just kill them. Worm guy. Let's spawn one in. Yeah, so what if I were to go take a look at fire worm? Nope. Worm enemy? Yeah. Oh, every time I open this file, I get a little bit sick, I'll be real with you.
Which file?
The fire worm, or the worm enemy.
Oh, don't worry about it.
Because I see the segments all hard-coded in here as...
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Individual segments.
Don't worry about it.
I'm worrying about it. Alright, where am I? It's under dash, I think. So the speed ratio goes down quite fast. What if I were to just like instantly cut all of the speed? That's honestly not that bad, to be real with you. It maybe feels a little weird having him stop in the middle of the air, but it's like not that bad.
No.
No? Okay.
Sorry, it
Alright,
looks
dude.
really weird.
Alright,
Like
man.
maybe he slows down a
Whatever.
little bit, but no, I don't. Yeah, you can mess with it, but
You do know that he does slow down by default, right? Like whenever he
yeah,
charges
but
his
like
thing.
he
Okay.
doesn't like basically stop.
Yeah, I mean, I could always change the amount of time that it takes for him to stop. Like, let's say that say he's on his way down to a lower speed. Let's see, and then this is... He jumps up to 3. It's doing an ease in, which maybe feels a little weird. What if I had this motherfucker ease out? And then, did a quick dash. Quick dash to him. Oh, I see. I see why he's doing some weird shit. Because he needs to be just doing a... I need to make sure that the speed ratio is less than or equal to 1. Yeah. Let's see what that does. Yeah, that feels way more correct. I also think that hitbox may be a little bit too big. Or not hitbox, the indicator. Might be just a tinge too large. Okay, yeah, I like that a lot more, actually. I can honestly turn him up in the speed. Let's see what happens. Oh, damn, he's evil. Where the fuck? Yo, JW, check this out. Fucking flies away. Probably not that fast, but...
Okay.
I mean, what? What about what?
I don't
What are you
know.
waiting?
I didn't quite see what happened.
Okay, that's okay.
Why is Biddy
Here he
Vision not
comes.
working? Okay.
Thoughts, prayers?
Yeah, it works. Looks similar to before.
Okay. It's... I want to say different enough, because he had some weird shit that was going on last time, where he would instantly stop and slow down to regular speed, but now he like eases back into it, and he's got a little bit more of a pause, whereas before he would just go down to like half speed for a little while and then ease into fast speed, but now he like kind of pauses and then kicks into fast speed. Callie, fuck off, please. I don't want you getting up here and getting upset. She has not been on me today, and now my ass is speaking. Yep.
It's kind of evil.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
She actually, that's a little bit of a lie. She actually fell asleep on me earlier while I was working. Oh, hi. Okay, you really want to? Come on. Come on. Oh, hold on. Let me get my cat on my lap.
There we go. Now Biddy Vision should work. Yeah,
Okay,
there we go. Now
cat
it
has
works. Now it
joined me now,
works.
finally. Okay, nice. Does that say wishlist on Steam?
Yeah, it is. I was trying to figure out. I'm trying to figure out like the formatting because we want this to be nice and big, but I need a good font so it doesn't look awful. But I don't know what font to use.
Impact.
Impact. Where's Comic Sans?
Do you know what Impact is?
Yeah.
It's the meme font.
Yeah, I know. That'd be kind of funny, but no.
Let's see. Okay, so that's done with the worm enemy. I would like to rewrite him at some point. Whatever. I'll do that at some point, surely. Flying Goober. He has an issue of charge up that I would like to potentially play around with.
There we go. This looks beautiful.
Let's see. My cow.
This looks amazing, doesn't it?
Let me look. What'd you do to it? Oh, you put Comic Sans on it. Did you know that Comic Sans is a good font for dyslexia?
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Honestly, we might not need the
I don't know if
Dante,
this is...
the big Dante.
No big Dante? What the hell?
Yeah, no big Dante.
Why not?
Because he's not really.
I feel like it'd be cool if at the end of the trailer
is that it looks nice and that this is very clear, and that this looks nice too.
At the end of the trailer on Steam?
Yes.
Okay. I mean, that just seems...
I mean, anywhere.
Super important.
Anywhere that this is important.
Yeah, I guess on like on other websites, but I'm like, if you're on Steam, you don't really need
this
to
is literally the most important thing of the entire trailer.
I don't think so. I think the gameplay and showing things off is way more important. I also think at the end of the trailer, one thing that could be cool is rather than having like this this flat image that comes up, it would be kind of cool if Dante kind of popped in and then the cards that were like around him kind of like hovered in place a little bit.
I can see, but I don't think they might be separated. I have the Photoshop file.
I hope they're separated. That would be crazy if they're not.
No, they probably are, but the file was a little bit of a mess. It's very nice art, but the file is a little messy. Like, that's totally understandable because yeah.
Yeah, I've seen your A5 files.
Let's see.
It's called like you've got like layer 8, and then below it you got layer 6. Below that you got layer 1, and then
6,
like
7.
3 and 2, and then there's like a 15 for some reason. Let's see. Flying goober, or no, fire goober. Fire goober spawn. You, hello, dude. What you got going on? How are you doing your charge?
Break.
Fire. Oh lord, fire goober spawn follow state is a very specific name. Follow and then spawn attack state. Oh yeah, I remember this thing does like multiple things. It does like a. It's like a charge.
Oh, yeah, they are separate, so you could do that.
Yeah.
Although the like shadows and highlights and stuff are not, but that'd probably be fine.
Yeah.
Actually, are they?
Make sure to show off the ability to meow. That will legit make some people smash the wishlist button. That's true.
Yeah, I probably will have that like at the very
end,
like a little little meow sound. The meows aren't that bad. But I think the shadows are the ones that aren't separate.
The shadows.
Okay, some of these are. But I could literally go in, like, just hide. If I did want to export them individually, I could just, like, such a mess.
Oh, you mean, like, the glow? Oh, no.
Yeah, like, some of the, no, the glow is, so here, let's just look at.
What shadows are you talking about?
There's, like, some shadows. Yeah, there's still some. There's, like, some back here that are back there, but, like, that's not a big deal. But, like, it works.
I see.
What else is in here? Oh yeah, I forgot something. I think with this, he used some kind of like outline effect that isn't in Clip Studio, so it looks really funny in here.
That's pretty funny, yeah.
But if I ever need anything changed, I'll just like message him about that one. Because he said if we ever need anything, just let him know.
Was it in Photoshop?
Yeah.
He used. Okay. I mean, if you send it to me, I could also load it into Photoshop.
Yeah.
Sorry, so what is...
But yeah, if we do ever need more like promo art, I will definitely be messaging him because he did a very good job. I really like it.
Yeah. What is this doing? Okay, so here's the rotate toward. So during aim... When are we doing aim? If charging aim delta, when is charging set to false? On charge timer timeout. It's this thing. What are the chances that you have like a...
what if we, Can I just copy this? What are the chances that it lets me do that?
Attack charge time?
Just lets me do that.
What is this? Aim. Okay. Aim versus charge aim, charge aim. This is the one that actually matters, I think. How long does this go for?
I could even do like a handwritten like wish list on Steam. Make it kind of silly looking.
Attack is true when attack is called. Attack is called when what? When is attack called? Is it like part of the animation or something? It is. I see. So how long does this charge for? Like 1.5 seconds ish. What if
Please don't crash. Please don't crash. No, please don't crash.
Uh-oh. Looks like it's crashing.
No, I'm sure it's fine. Okay, I'm saving this before.
Oh shit.
Breaks.
Wait, that scared the fuck out of me. I didn't expect it to be that fast. Holy. That definitely makes them like way more like evil.
Who? What did you do?
The fire group respawns.
Oh, did you make them? Oh.
Yeah, he goes like instantly. I'm gonna spawn a hive and see what that's like.
Yeah, I feel like that's gonna be evil. Because just one of those seems a little scary.
Why was that? Oh, that's behind the banner decoration layer.
Oh, that's funny.
Are.
It's weird. I don't think they should be, but interesting. Yeah, no, that's way too fast.
Yeah, I might just like. I definitely want it to be somewhere between where it was and where it is now. Like, maybe a second of charge time. That feels fine.
Yeah, it's better.
I also think I don't want them to rotate nearly as much.
Yeah, that would probably be better.
Is this even used? It's not. That's okay.
Why is there a hole in this?
How are you doing? Your rotation speed, 30 degrees a second. Yeah, okay. I can play with that a little bit. And stats. Upgrade.
It's really funny. There's just a hole in this card. It's fine. Nobody will notice.
What's the hole in the card? Oh, I see. In the top right.
Yeah. I don't know why.
Just like fill that in. Because it's just like the one color, right?
Probably. Let's see. What the heck is going on in here? Is it a bunch of blank
control
layers?
click on the. I think if you control click on the card, it'll select the layer.
Oh, I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah, I actually. That's a
What are the-
Photoshop piece of knowledge.
What are the chances that it used the palette colors?
I think if you alt click, it'll select the color.
Alt click?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think that's the right layer. I think this is the effect layer. No, that is the right layer.
I think
Oh, wait,
your
I'm on-
opacity's just
yeah.
turned down.
No, it's because I was alpha locked.
Okay. No, it's definitely the.
Yeah.
You can just alt click the background color. Yeah. What is that? Is that Clip Studio you said?
Yeah.
Can you try a keybind for me?
Mm-hmm.
If you hold Alt and then right click and drag your mouse left and right, does it change the size of your pen?
No.
No, damn. Control Alt, right click.
Yes.
Ah, okay, cool. Big fan of that.
Big fan.
I think we have that in Sprite, actually. I think.
I just use these. I think it's Control Scroll to change the. Yeah, it's Control Scroll. That's what I use.
Let me see. If I were to bring out a brush. Yeah, if you do Control Alt, you can drag left and right to get a bigger brush size in Sprite. Very nice. Big fan.
Big fan.
Big fan. Okay, this thing needs to have a export var called rotation.
I do very much like how I can just copy paste like a section of a folder to another file. It just lets me do that.
Oh yeah. You mean of a group?
Yeah,
A
whatever. I
group
mean, it's like a
copy.
folder. It looks like a folder, so calling it a folder.
Yeah, it's a group.
Yeah, alright, Swin.
So let's see if I set this to 90.
Wonder if I
Then it's you. Was that a ternary operator? Why the fuck is there a ternary here? What did I do that for?
look, we got perspective card. Get flattened.
Hi, Callie. Hi, Billy. What a creature. It's like kind of crazy that they made cats.
Creature. Yeah. Wonder when the cat update came out.
I don't know, but did you know that before that, they actually didn't know about cats in China?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
That one. That's kind of crazy. You should tell Chad about that one.
I did. They didn't know about cats in China.
Yeah.
That's the whole thing. Nothing else. Why is there... Whoa, dude. Holy shit. Can you look at my screen really, really quickly? I got jump scared by something in this like testing room that I had set up for the pathing. And I noticed that there's a little hole down here that's just like a 1 tile tall hidden tunnel.
That's really funny. I don't know how that got there.
I think it's
Oh,
just,
that's your room. That's your testing area. Okay, I was thinking that
that's
I
the
made that. I
testing
was
room
like,
I
I don't know how I did that.
No. Let's see. Actually, this will be called charge rotation speed. And this one, there will also be an aim rotation speed. So let's say that I just set this to 90 and also 90. Would this do cool things? Damn. Ouch. Keep accidentally spawning in the boy kisser enemy placeholder thing. Okay, nice. So if I set this to like, I don't know, 15 degrees, would that be a reasonable speed for you to aim?
Let's see if we can find a font that doesn't look terrible.
Oh, also, did you mean to make it so that the fire gruber hive spawns multiple eggs at once?
I don't know how I did that, to be honest.
I don't either, but
But it's kind of cool.
I mean, it's cool. Yeah.
I think it's fine.
Also, maybe these guys shouldn't turn that gross red anymore. Maybe it should turn like a different color. Or they should have like a highlight on them or something. Hi, Callie. What's up, baby? Hi, baby. Hi, creature. How are you doing? How are you turning red? Oh, right here. I see. Sure. Hi, bubbly.
There you go. This is how we're doing it.
Oh, shit, dude. That's Greek. What the fuck? Oh, thank you, Callie. Yep. That's one of the best parts about owning a cat is whenever they look up at you with so much love in their eyes and then they give out a yawn and it just blows just a bunch of tuna air at you.
Tuna.
Ugh. Like, I love her so much, but man, that was that was really gross. You don't have a hit flash component in here, do you? Oh, you also need to be an outline, don't you? And like don't you?
Chat, what's a good font? Wait, this one's kinda cool. I also can add some effects to the text to make it look a little bit nicer.
Just feed the cat breath mints. I actually don't think I could. I think she would kill me if I tried to give her anything like that. Callie's a really weird cat where
True.
she only likes cat food. And it's really weird. Because like other cats, you would like worry. You'd be like, ah, fuck, I can't leave like this food out. Or like I have to watch whenever she's like in my lap because she'll like eat something. Nah, dude. She doesn't give a fuck. She just does not care about anything other than cat food. Which is great for me. But it's just a little weird is all.
Weird.
Yeah, she's a little weirdo. But I love her.
Little car.
She is. Yeah. She's my baby. And I love her.
Okay.
I don't remember. Does this get registered? Oh, you're sick. Let's fucking go. I love whenever I write some code and I'm like, man, I'm sure I'll use this in the future. And then I do end up using it in the future and it just makes my life so much easier later.
Yes,
there she goes. She's not happy with me speaking. Ouch. Ow, 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 ow. If you're gonna jump down, do it. But don't. Ow. She wanted to get down, but instead of actually getting down, she just like put her hand on my foot and then just like sunk her claws in for like a few seconds.
That's kind of funny.
Yeah. 'Cause I was doing that weird thing where instead of sitting like a normal person, I had my... I was crisscross applesauce as fuck. Do you get called otherwise? I guess you do. Sure. Okay, does this work?
I think this is a good start. What do you think of this so far, PD?
Give me 2 seconds.
I'm gonna add a little Tempera Cat logo at the bottom, just to like kind of fill it out. So there's more stuff.
Whoa.
But just like make it minimal.
Mm-hmm.
You know? So that way, like the wish list is the important part.
Yeah, the wish list definitely. If you want it to be like a, it definitely needs some sort of outline or something that keeps it from blending in with some of the background elements.
Yeah, I'll do that. I know some ways to make it pop.
Pop. Okay, I don't know how I feel about that. What colors do we have? I'll just use a red. What does this red look like again? Are you particularly noticeable, or is this like a Zetterburn just threw a side B at me and he's got the dandelion skin on? That's not super noticeable. I mean, I could... What would I do if I wanted to flash like every half second or something? I would divide the amount of time we're in state by this, and then I would take that amount and see if it's that. Sure. Every half a second is definitely not enough for how fast these motherfuckers move. God, they're fast. They really do just kill themselves on the wall. It's fun. I hate how satisfying it is just sitting here letting these guys crash into the walls over and over.
It kind of is.
It's like I'm playing a 2-who game.
Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna call that good for now. You can yell at me later and call it terrible.
Okay.
Let's see. Projectiles don't apply on hit in the first frame. So if I go into base projectile, I thought that I did some evil shit in here, but I guess I didn't. Wait, I don't have a button to kill all enemies in the level. What the fuck?
Nope, you don't.
I'm adding that now.
Okay, good.
I think that's way more important than whatever I'm doing right now. Yeah.
Yes, we
absolutely love playing Silver Deadlock. There's not like fine nodes of type, is there?
probably, I don't know.
This method ignores class name declarations. Perfect, dude. That's so great. I'm actually so happy about that. I love that so much. I'm so happy about that. I definitely don't wish that we could find things via class name ever. That would be like way too useful.
Yeah, this is true.
That's okay. I'll just grab anything that's in the enemy group. If node or help detail document component node health component. Or actually, I think the thing that I changed in health, I can just like a health dot set health, and then I can do 0, and then this just works. Hopefully, potentially, maybe. Let's find out if that doesn't do shit. Ah, shit. What in the fucking world is this? Who are you? Who do you belong to? What the fuck? Ground enemy fire. Health reactive spawner. Oh, what?
Oh, what?
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 Oh, this is assuming attack isn't null. I see. It shouldn't be doing that. otherwise speed out rotation is equal to, I don't know, fucking random range 0 to like 6, probably. Specifically 6 to 8, but we'll just do 6.
I think 7 is better.
You don't even know what a 6.28 is.
No, I don't. You're right.
It's a little thing called tau.
Which one of these do you like better?
Let me choose one. So here's all the enemies. If I do kill enemies, they all die. Hooray! Okay, what's up?
Do you like this one? Or do you like this one?
Alright, do it again. Okay. Definitely the second one. However, I think the font could be a little bit different for the first 2 letters.
Okay.
For the 2 letters, first 2 words, sorry.
Okay, yeah, I was struggling to find a good font, but I like trying to vary into this font. I like this one because it's very like blocky. It doesn't have any like dingle dangles all over it.
Doesn't have any dingle dangles?
Yeah.
Do you mean serifs?
Yeah, whatever they're called, dingle dangles.
Yeah. Like the shit that's on the Dante's 9 font, how like the D has the swoosh coming off the top left and the bottom left.
Yeah.
Talking about
Is
that.
this better?
Yeah, those are called... Yes, I do like that better. Yeah. But yeah, no, those are called serifs, which is why certain fonts are called sans serifs, because that means without
sans,
serifs.
like Undertale?
Uh-huh. Did you know, he's actually, like, that he's named after the font, Comic Sans, which is why all of his dialogue in the game is in Comic Sans.
What? Really?
Yeah. I know, it's crazy.
No. Actually, no, I played it for like, I think I played it for like maybe an hour, then was like, this is lame.
Kind of same, actually. I didn't really... I don't know. I actually haven't seen very much gameplay of it. I tried playing it. I went through and I did do one full run of it. But it wasn't... That's not even remotely close to the most of the game.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you have to play through it like
I hate
many
games
times.
that you have to play through multiple times to see all the content. I'm joking.
Kind of like the idea.
I literally play Gungeon. I beat that game twice.
Yeah, I also just can't bring myself to do it. Like because that game is like a story game. I mean, it's obviously got gameplay, but it's it's got story. You play through Gungeon because it's a roguelike.
Yeah.
Like Night in the Woods, there's like multiple ways that you can play through the game and get like different endings and shit. And I'm like, I'm not doing all that.
Yeah, like different
I got the ending.
Like, I don't care about.
It's one of the characters.
Yeah.
Yeah. Babe, it's 4 a.m. Time to watch Bit do all the coding while JW spams 6-7 memes. Yeah.
6-7.
You know that Papyrus is hella strong and probably the strongest monster in the game? I didn't know that. I don't know much about the game aside from things I've absorbed here and there from pop culture. Like, there's that one really good parody on YouTube with that really cool looking animation about the story of Undertale. Man, what a beautiful song. I hate the way the animation looks so much. Okay. It gives kind of like Big Mouth vibes. And I think Big Mouth is like kind of the ugliest show to ever exist. What am I doing now? So I added the enemy thing. I want to make the projectiles actually rock on hit effects. What's a very quick on hit effect I can add? Add sticker to card. Oh, because I don't have a card selected in my hand. Doi. Lightning jar or bee, probably beehive. I'll add a few beehives. I don't think that actually does anything, but
if you did want, I could separate these out and we could like animate them or something, but I think it looks nice how it is.
Wait. Wait,
Yo, is
GW,
that
you
the
said
box
that the
plus
projectile...
beehive synergy from Enter the Gungeon? I don't know that one.
GW, didn't you say that this didn't proc on hit effects if it shot the enemy while it was like...
No, the
first
bees are
flying out?
different. It's only the lightning.
These are different. It's only the lightning?
Yep.
It's only the lightning.
It's because I'm pretty sure aren't the bees still my old implementation? I'm pretty sure.
What are you talking about? Your old implementation of what?
Of the bees.
What's different?
Like, it's still gonna spawn them even though you don't have bees. Because
Why is this spawning bees?
Because it's my...
Wait, no, this shouldn't be spawning bees. I've got a different card selected. There's no bee sticker on this fucking card.
Because you didn't change how the bees work, you only changed the lightning.
No, but there shouldn't be bees spawning at all, right?
Yes, no, because it applied the sticker upgrade, which means it connected the signal to the enemy damage signal.
Oh, that's what you're talking... Okay,
yes,
I see what you're talking about.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sorry.
No, you said
like...
the bee is your old implementation of, like, bees or something. I'm like, what do you mean? Yeah, you're talking about this thing here. Yeah.
I don't know what you thought I was talking about. But okay.
What is this doing again? Sure. What the fuck is... Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. On hit, B, this. I get it, like B. It would
like
be this.
Yeah, like B.
Yeah, like
6, 7, like
you?
6 or 7.
Get rid of that. Get rid of this. Hooray!
I should start streaming a TikTok as well. I think people would find me really funny.
Nope. I think that's a terrible decision. Why are you upset? Oh, I know why.
I think it would be a great decision, actually.
How far into Mugenics have you gotten?
Not that far. Oh, why did I have 36 views from bot traffic today?
On what? Where?
On the store page.
From bot traffic?
Yeah.
I didn't know it showed you that.
Yeah, it
That's
tells me.
cool.
It says where the visits are from. So there's direct navigation, search suggestions, bot traffic, other pages, and external website. The one interesting thing that I've noticed is before, like maybe a month ago, easily the highest of those all was search suggestions. But now that's like way down, and I don't know why.
And I think people searching from the Uni post.
No. Like, I mean, like if I set this to like a year. Let me wait for it to take forever to load. Like pretty much consistently, it was search suggestions was the highest thing, unless like the main thing that if I have like a really big post, the highest one will be direct navigation. But besides that, it was mostly search suggestions. But now search suggestions is like way lower, which is interesting. And I don't know what could have caused that, or if that's even something that really matters. Because I imagine that means like just like if you're searching through Steam and it like pops up, I'm guessing that's what that would be. So, I don't know. I just thought it was interesting. I don't know if it's like good or bad. Because we still are getting decent traffic. And also, I'm not too worried about like the Steam impressions and all that kind of stuff until like we start getting big posts and things like that. And get closer to release. Because most of the like Steam algorithm stuff is like right before release. The important thing right now is mostly the direct navigation. Okay, let me finish this up.
What in the world? I see. I mean, when someone asks me what the abbreviation is for the duo character in Melee.
Wait, what?
Icy. Ice
Oh,
climbers.
I get it, because ice climbers.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
That one was pretty
Fuck
good, Twin,
you.
I'm not gonna lie.
Fuck you. Dude, I
Good
hate crag
idea.
players. Crag players are like the worst people I've ever met, minus like Mastitos and like most other crag. Actually, all crag players except for JW are the best players I've ever met. And then, other than that,
I haven't played
I hate
Crag
him.
in like 2 months.
you haven't played Rivals in like 2 months.
Yeah, I know.
How are we gonna do Hitfall?
Oh, I forgot this is a thing. I probably should play some. Let's see, when was the last time I played Rivals? Does it tell me on here? Oh. Last played January 23rd.
Oh lord, it's been like a month.
Yeah. It's fine.
Get ready. How does this work again? I need to remember. Cast shape. I need a physics shape rate or shape query parameters.
Okay, I think this looks good enough. If I do say so myself. And also, I think with this trailer, assuming we make it good enough, I'm just going to like find a few of like the big, or like not big, but like of the mostly trailer YouTube channels and just send it to them, because they will literally publish like anything as long as it's not like slop. So like if we have like an announcement trailer.
Oh, so we're fucked.
Yeah. What? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We're fucked.
And also, I would call this like the gameplay announcement trailer. I would say. 'Cause, I mean, like obviously the game exists, but like we haven't really had a formal announcement trailer sort of thing. So that's probably just what I'm gonna title it. You know, twin.
Yeah.
Twin.
What?
Twin. Am I muted?
What about what? No.
Oh, okay.
Yes. No. Maybe.
Cool.
I think so.
I need something like in the
Oh,
bottom
can
here.
I just pass in a shape? Oh, that's sick. That's cool. This is the actual reference. Okay, cool. Great. Yeah, I guess I'll sure, man. I'll prefer to pass this in. You can have whatever the fuck you want. I don't particularly care. Oh, crashed. Nice. Because I didn't assign this variable. Fuck me. I wouldn't have done it anyways. Whoa. Oh, motherfucker. You're such a bastard. Also, sorry, I read this earlier and I meant to ask this, but I think we were saying something else. What is box beehive strategy in Gungeon? For synergy?
Synergy. Bro can't read.
Yeah, sorry, synergy.
I'll see.
I'm looking. Apiary. If the player has box, beehive turns into an apiary and automatically regenerates ammo over time. Oh, that's kind of cool. What the fuck?
Didn't even know what's box. Wait. Oh, box. Okay.
Box.
I've seen box. Yeah.
Box is this Most actions other than moving. We'll remove the box. Oh, that's cool. It's a fun item. We love Metal Gear references.
Wait, bosses will not attack the player until they reveal themselves. So does that mean if you have like a minion, you can just sit in the box forever and just let your little guy hit the boss?
Might be able to, yeah.
That's really funny.
Dog, I don't understand. I've told you to exclude specifically this fucking thing. In what world are you still detecting this specific thing I'm telling you not to detect? You're detecting yourself, you fucking idiot, you moron.
That's crazy.
Let me see. The returned array is copied and any changes to it. Yeah, that's great. To update the value, you need to modify the returned array and then assign it to the property again. Yup. I've done that. I'm fairly certain. You just print out excluded shapes. And I'm just going to include query and exclude. ID 96177. What the fuck are you? Who are you? What? Who are you actually? What the fuck? Box component. Let's find out who you are, actually. Result in this.
Okay.
To console.print result of get a collider dot owner. Hopefully it doesn't crash. I don't want to reopen the game. Oh, okay, cool.
Oh, I forgot to add to the trailer notes. We need to make sure we start off with like a big, long, like, dark screen that shows like our logo. So that way they know who makes the game.
That's true, yeah. And we should start off with honestly, instead of a gameplay trailer, what if we just like had a fully animated trailer that looked nothing like the game? And honestly, Dante doesn't even need to be in the trailer. It could be like a history of the world. And like some characters you'll never see, nor are you interested in, nor do they have any personality aside from their typical, like, the typical cliche characters. That might be the move, honestly.
Yeah. I love how well
I was thinking about making those
this room is for this room.
Yeah. I was thinking about making those guys use the bounce pads.
I think that would be evil.
I think they could. I think it would be relatively easy too, which is the fun part.
Yeah, I just think it would be evil gameplay wise. But honestly, it could be fun because that could also be good for like a just like interesting moment in the game. Like, oh, what do you mean they used that?
Okay, this is definitely doing what I expected to. Actually,
oh, I see you also added the time slow back when you finished the room.
Yeah, because I noticed that was missing, and I was like, you know what? This kind of feels like it fits pretty well.
Yeah, I think you definitely changed the values because it feels different than it was before.
Yeah, and you can adjust that if you want. It's just in room base whenever the room ends. I think I'm setting it to a 10% speed for like a second with decay on.
But yeah, I may end the stream relatively soon and just record some filler stuff. I don't think there's a whole lot more that I can work on besides just recording.
Okay.
And I mean, if you want to keep streaming, I can just hang on call and just record my gameplay screen. But whatever you want to do. I am going to stand and take a break though for a minute though. I'll be right back.
Alright, good luck, good luck. What am I looking for? Oh. Dude, I just got locked into the music, I won't lie to you. I fucking love Cave Story music. You know, I'm queuing up another one, actually. What the Cave Story do I got in here? Yeah, here we go. I'm just turn this up just a teensy bit. I love Cave Story. Can you believe JW has never played Cave Story? And I don't even think he heard of Cave Story until after he joined my server. Shit's kind of crazy. Yay. Okay, that works. That actually works really well. Hooray. Okay. And then let's say if you get multiple of the lightning jar stickers, we will say sticker count is card instance bucket. Get sticker count for the class of lightning jar sticker. And I'll probably include this in here. Right? Oh, Lord. Wait, does this not chain from like enemy to enemy? 'Cause I thought this would do something like I see. I thought this would go from this enemy to this enemy to this enemy, but it looks like the answer is it doesn't. It only looks for enemies in this radius.
6, 7.
Welcome back. JW, am I correct in assuming this?
What?
That if lightning spawns on this enemy, there's no chance it can hit this enemy, even though arc-wise, like, this enemy could get hit by it, but
yeah, unless
even though this one is in range,
yeah,
feel
I
like
don't know
it should be able to jump.
Is it still spawning a second one? Because it's only wait. Can you show me the lightning code in the lightning area?
The lightning area.
Yes, the one that the thing that it spawns when
This guy?
Yes, that one.
Yes.
Like the code.
Yeah.
Set the attack source to the card source. Or however you do the thing where that counts as the card's attack. I don't know how you do that.
I see.
And then it will mark.
Yeah, okay, but that has problems.
Okay.
I understand. I get what.
But essentially what it was doing before is looking for the player attack source, which is why that source is player.
Okay.
So it needs to
Let me
be on the yeah.
Oh,
I think
have
you'd have
access to
to
this.
pass
You
it
don't.
in, but that's not hard.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I am going to
Okay,
end
these
stream on
different
my
spots.
end and start working on
Are
the
you-
trailer.
Okay, he's
Yeah.
dying.
No, I mean, I'm not dying. I'm just like,
He's dead.
I'm dying, guys. It's
He doesn't
over.
want to work on the game, he just said.
Okay, well, I will
said, "I don't wanna
still
work
be
on the
here,
game."
but for anybody watching on my end, you are going to have to switch